In this video, we're going to talk about whether or not a total knee replacement will improve your golf game. One of the most common questions I get about life after a total knee replacement is when can I get back on the golf course? And will a total knee replacement improve my golf game? Now keep in mind, there's a wide range of normal when it comes to getting back to your favorite activities with several factors that play into your results after surgery. In general, if you're well prepared before surgery, pick the best surgeon and surgical technique, and didn't wait too long to have your surgery and then do the right rehab, you have a better chance at not only getting back to your favorite activities more quickly, but with better results. Now that being said, your body needs 6 to 8 weeks on average to heal enough, regardless of how good you feel, before your new joint is ready to start gradually adding higher level activities back into your schedule, and that includes golf. Let's take a look at the research. In a research article from the Journal of Arthroplasty, in January of 2020, 143 golfers were surveyed to see how long it took for them to not only return to playing golf, but to also return to their previous level of playing. Each of these golfers were over 50 years old and had undergone a unilateral primary TKA. So they had a total knee replacement on just one side, and it was their first replacement surgery for that knee, not a revision. Each golfer was surveyed at a minimum of 2 years after surgery. Here's the top 5 things they found. Number 1, the average time to return to the 18-hole course was 3.7 months. Number 2, at the 2-year survey time, golfers averaged a handicap improvement of 0.85 compared to before surgery, so their score improved. Number 3, average weekly play time increased from 8.9 to 10.2 hours. Number 4, and this is probably the biggest improvement, knee pain while playing golf decreased from 6.13 before surgery to 1.27 after surgery on the 10-point visual analog scale. And number 5, the UCLA activity scale score improved from 7.02 to 7.85. All right, let's break down these numbers. So it took about 15 weeks to get back to playing a full 18-hole round of golf. At the 2-year mark, on average, they're playing more golf with improved score and with significantly less pain than before surgery. The UCLA activity scale is a simple questionnaire that assesses physical activity level from 1 being low to 10 being high in patients undergoing hip or knee replacement. So the higher the score, the better their performance. So if you're wondering what your golf game will be like after surgery, the results of this study suggest that people overall tend to return to a higher level of performance after their knee replacement. Now, how do you get there? If you're competitive like me, your first instinct is to say 15 weeks, I can beat that. But remember, if you push too hard too soon, your new joint isn't ready and you risk a major setback regardless of how good you feel. You have to do the right exercises at the right time to give your body what it needs through all the stages of healing. And that's exactly what we do at Total Joint PT. If you'd like for me to show you what you can do both before and after a total hip or knee replacement to get you back on the golf course, the tennis court, or whatever your favorite activities are, comment yes below and I'll reach out. We can hop on a free Zoom call to help you figure out what your next best steps are to get you back to doing what you love.